So if you want to become creative, then what you can actually do using Claude AI is generate out stories as you want as well. For example, you can go ahead and simply say, write a story about a girl who loves to be online, but the parents always scold her. So I'm just going to go around and say scold her. But as she watched online tutorials, she was able to make a fortune online, and her parents were happy right here, just like this. So you can go ahead right here, just like this, and then you can go ahead and hit send. And as you do that, what happens is that you can see that this is what you have. So it says check the front end design skill. So it's actually writing out the story right here, and this is what you have. So you can see it says the girl who scrolled to success, and Maya Chen had a problem, or at least that's what her parents believed. Every evening, the moment dinner was cleared from table, she would disappear into her bedroom, and the familiar blue glow would seep under the crack of a door like a quiet confession. Her fingers would dance across the keyboard, her eyes lit by one of the brightness of the screen that never seemed to dim. And you can see that it detailedly wrote out the story. It's still writing it right here just like this. So based on what you actually told right here, it'll go ahead and give a proper story right here just like this. You can also go ahead and download it out right here just like this. So this is an MD file, as you can see right here, and you can see the text right here on the right hand side as well that you can go ahead and copy. So this is basically how you can go ahead and utilize Claude to generate out stories as you like easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.